Introduction. A magnet is an object which attracts things made of iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. Magnets are made of iron, steel, or any other alloy of iron by the process of magnetization. Magnets are made in different shapes and sizes. An old story about discovery of magnets is that magnets were discovered by chance by an old shepherd named Magnes who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take stick having iron casting at lower end. Incidentally, his stick was attracted by the rock. This is how natural magnets were discovered, and rock is named as magnetite after his name. The substances having the property of attracting iron are known as magnets. Those materials which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials. The artificial magnets were made from pieces of iron like iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. In this chapter, we will study about magnets, their properties, and uses of magnets. Activity. Take a plastic or a paper cup. Fix it on a stand with help of a clamp. Place a magnet inside the cup and cover it with a paper so that the magnet is not visible. Attach a thread to a clip made of iron. Fix the other end of the thread at the base of the stand. Bring the clip near the base of the cup. This clip is raised in air without support like a kite. This happens because the force of pull exerted by the magnet kept inside the plastic cup passes through the plastic bottom of the cup as well as through the air below the cup and holds the paper clip. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Some of the materials are attracted by a magnet while some do not. The materials which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic materials. Examples of magnetic materials are iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. The objects are made of iron or steel like nails, paper clips, sewing needles, hairpins, drawing pins, etc. are all attracted by magnets. Generally, iron is the most common metal in all the ordinary objects which are attracted by magnets. Magnetic materials can be converted into magnets. The materials which are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Examples of non-magnetic materials are wood, plastic, rubber, paper, cloth, glass, leather, thermocol, copper, aluminium, brass, etc. In fact, most of the materials around us are non-magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials cannot be converted into magnets. Activity. Rub a magnet in the sand or soil. Pull out the magnet. Remove the particles, stick to the magnet by gentle shaking of magnet. Some of the particles are still sticking to the magnet. These are small iron pieces. This activity can be used to find out whether soil or sand contains particles that have iron. Poles of a magnet. The regions of a magnet where the attraction of magnet is strongest are called poles of a magnet. A magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The North Pole is represented by writing the letter N and South Pole is represented by writing a letter S. The North and South Pole of a magnet always exist together. It is impossible to have a magnet having one pole only. Take a magnet and put it on a heap of iron fillings. When iron clinches on it or stick to it, remove the iron fillings and repeat the activity. Iron fillings will again attract towards the magnet maximum at the ends. These are poles of the magnet. The same type of a magnetic poles are called like poles. N pole, SS pole are examples of like poles. The different type of magnetic poles are called unlike poles. NS pole, SN pole are examples of unlike poles. Unlike poles attract each other. Finding directions. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction. Take a bar magnet. Put a mark at one of its ends for its identification. Now, tie a thread at the middle of the magnet so that you may suspend it from a wooden stand. Make sure that magnet can rotate freely. Let it come to rest. Mark 2 points on the ground to show the position of ends of the magnet when it comes to rest. Draw a line joining the 2 points. This line will show the direction in which the magnet was pointing in its position of rest. Now, rotate the magnet by gently pushing one end in any direction and let it come to rest. Again, mark the position of 2 ends in its position of rest. Rotate the magnet in other directions and mark the points. All the time, magnet comes to rest in same direction, that is north-south direction. Make your own magnet. There are many ways of making magnets. One of the methods is as follows. Take a rectangular piece of iron, place it on a table. Now take a bar magnet. Hold one end of the bar magnet in hand and keep the other end of the bar magnet at one end A of iron bar. Without lifting, move the lower end of a bar magnet along the whole length of iron bar till you reach its other end B. After reaching end B, lift the bar magnet and bring its same end again at the starting end A of the iron bar. Move the bar magnet again along the whole length of iron bar in same direction, that is, from A to B. Repeat the process of stroking the iron bar with same end of a bar magnet in the same direction about 30 to 40 times. The iron bar till then becomes a magnet. Test the magnet by bringing near iron fillings. If iron fillings are attracted, then it becomes a magnet. Activity. Take an iron needle and turn it into magnet by using a bar magnet. It is called magnetized needle. Insert the magnetized needle through a small cork in such a way that some of its part is visible on both the sides of the cork. Now take some water in a plastic container and float the cork in water. The needle should remain above the water level. The magnetized iron needle fixed in the cork floating on water has become a compass. The magnetized iron needle will along itself along the north-south direction. Rotate the floating cork carrying the magnetized needle in different directions and release it. When clock stops rotating, the magnetized needle always align along north-south direction. Uses of magnets. The uses of magnets are: magnets are used to hold objects. Magnets are used to separate discarded iron and steel objects from other waste materials. Magnets are used to make compasses. Magnets are used in telephones, hair dryers, doorbells, mixer and grinders, fans, washing machines, and various types of toys. Important points. The substance having property of attracting iron is known as magnet. Magnetite is a natural magnet. The materials which get attracted towards a magnet are magnetic materials, for example, iron, cobalt, etc. Materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are non-magnetic materials, for example, plastic, glass, etc. Magnet has two poles, north and south pole. Some poles of two magnets repel each other. Opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. Magnetic compass is a small box with glass cover. It consists of a magnetized needle which rotates freely and indicates north-south direction when comes to rest. Magnets lose their property if they are heated, hammered, dropped from some height, or not stored properly.